Okay, I wear my Apple Watch literally every time I leave the house. So it's nice that they have bands to switch it up. Solace bands. Let's open it up. So we got 3 different kinds here. I've always had this silicone, I think it's silicone, band on my wrist, and not gonna lie, sometimes it gets like pretty annoying because it is kind of sticky sometimes. So, ooh, this is one of the bands. I'm gonna open all of them to show you guys which ones I got. Another one. Oh, this is so exciting. It's really stretchy. Wow. So this is the first one that I tried, the Paladin Loop. And I really like the material. It is very stretchy. On the website it did say to size down because since they will stretch out over time, and although it is pretty tight right now, I mean, it is going to stretch out because of the material. I cannot say enough good things about this band. It is so loose, it's breathable, I wear it to work all the time, and it's also nice looking as opposed to the bands that the Apple Watch comes with. I also got this stretchy band, which I haven't tried yet because it is a little tight. I will try it eventually. This white and silver one, which is very pretty. It's kind of similar to the one that I have on my watch right now, but it is, as you can see, a little thinner. And I have nothing to say bad about this brand. They were very easy to set up, and they also come with this tool to remove some of the clips and to add clips back in. So all you have to do is put this in here, and it also shows you on the watch which side to go through. You just put it in like this and then screw, and then it will remove the clip. It will let you know if anything bad happens with the bands, but I can't really see that happening because I've already had this on my Apple Watch for probably about a month. So I think I'm gonna try this one and switch it up. I hope this video helped someone, and go get your bands on solacebands.com and let me know how you like them. This video was not paid or sponsored in any way. I just really liked these bands, as you can tell because I can't stop talking about them. Hope this video helped. Bye.